Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and the Android Auto app is updated. Once done, use a high-quality USB cable, prefer OEM or braided data cable, and plug it into the Nissan Kicks USB port while the car is parked and the ignition is on. Make sure your phone is unlocked and screen awake. You do this first so the head unit can detect a data device. Skipping it often prevents the Kicks from recognizing Android Auto. Now plug the phone into the Kicks with the cable and watch both screens. You'll see a prompt on your phone asking to allow Android Auto and on the Nissan display to enable projection. Accept both. If the phone asks for USB mode, choose data or file transfer so the head unit can access Android Auto. Make sure you grant permissions for notifications, contacts, and location when requested. Doing these steps in this order prevents permission mismatches that block the finish. By confirming the Android Auto home screen is shown on the Kicks display. Test navigation, media, and the voice button to ensure sound and mic work. Once confirmed, set auto launch on USB in settings so it connects next time. If it does not appear, try one key troubleshooting tip. Replace your cable with a proven data cable and reboot your phone and the car. Often a bad cable is the only thing stopping a successful Android Auto connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.